Alright, what's up everybody? Time for some bloody bastard shit. Who should I use? Who's Sir Dick Slap? I forgot I put blah in that. Should I use blah? Spammierism? Oh yeah, I forgot I created him. Macabre. I haven't used macabre in forever. He's a more recent staple in my character selection. So, I'm gonna switch it up. Use the freaking halberd of death. And hopefully I don't get a shield pusher. Shield pushers have discouraged me from playing this game a lot, but if I don't choose to use that meta, I can't really bitch about that meta. So, let's do this. I just got into my apartment. It's hot as hell, so hopefully my thumbs don't get sweaty. Uh-oh. Come closer. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little. Next round, I'm going to turn the thumbsticks off. Oh, I got visible touch points, too. I might as well just leave that shit on, honestly. This thing's so gnarly. He's like, fuck you, dude. I'm gonna meet my karma in a minute. Karma's gonna eat me whole. Watch it be a damn archer shield. Oh well, almost as bad. Almost as bad. Let me chop that shield off. There we go. Now you're bleeding out. There we go. There we go. Back up a little bit. Boom! There went his head. His head fell off. It'd be like Old Wars. Oh, his head fell off. Look at that. I like Old Wars. Old Wars is shit, dude. I'm glad he's doing well. He blew up, dude. But he deserves it. All those fucking memes he edits in and shit. I don't even put a fraction of effort that he does into his channel. I love this. This is an awesome weapon, dude. Until you meet a meta person, this weapon is the shit. Let's chop that shield off real quick. Chop that shit off real quick. Oh, I chopped both arms off. Look at that. Oh, wow. I like this. This is a cool weapon. Come on, find that bastard. Shank his swords. Shanking along. Shank, shank, shank. Shank. Oh. Basket head. Nipple basket head. If he would just rush me, I'd have a really hard time right now, but at least Macabre, he has a little bit of armor going on. He's kind of got that Japanese mail on his upper torso, but I think that's the only armor that Mac has is that mail, or whatever you would call it, whatever the Japanese term for that particular article of clothing is. Oh, now he's wising up. Get the little three-finger push. Back up. There we go. He's like, fuck you, dude. Fuck you and your halberd. Karma's coming. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, viewers. You're going to see me get fucking bulldozed into a corner and my legs chopped off. Very soon. Very soon that's going to happen. Oh well. Saul. I haven't seen you. Oh, he's moving. He's bobbing and weaving. Shit. He's getting that axe on my head. Push open. Not too long. Back up. Ugh. Shit. See, if somebody just pushes me into a corner, this long-ass weapon is a pain in the ass, dude. This long-ass weapon is a pain in the ass. Come on. No. I'm surprised my legs are holding up, man. My legs have, like, no armor whatsoever. They're just, like, leggings. I will be wearing yoga pants. Oh! Damn, this thing blocks a lot of shit, though. Go for arm. Back up and try to get an arm if I can. Oh, he's going for the head, dude. He's getting inside my box. And that axe is hitting my dome. I don't like the axe on my dome. Push. Open up. No, not my legs. Shit. Oh, shit. This thing's really hard to swing when you're on your butt, so it always digs into the ground. Yeah, once you're on your butt, this thing's almost useless. Come here, fucker. Ugh. Alright, I gotta take an arm, dude. I gotta take one of those arms. There we go. Both of them. I gotcha. Look at me. Alright, do the same thing again. I just need that space. Keep giving me that room, buddy. I need that room. Oh. Damn. Turned out pretty well. Alright, maybe some karma. Is karma coming? I don't have any alcohol, that's why you don't hear any gulp. You don't hear any gulp. I'm sorry. Oh, that spike, buddy. That spike fucks shit up. Damn. Damn. Okay. As the negative karma charged up enough, am I gonna completely eat it in this next match? We'll find out. Oh, maybe. Oh, this thing gets hung up so easily. This he's rushing, dude. He's blitzkrieging my ass. Once I get in the corner, I'm gonna have a hard time. He can break my legs so easily. Dude, I think those are one of those sleeper weapons. I think, because I've seen several people using those, like, egg maces, I call them. And they're not even, like, a high-tier mace, but they're like a sleeper weapon. If you know how to use them, you can fuck people up with that shit. You can get inside their freaking bubble really easy. It's really easy to get in my bubble right now. So I got this big long-ass weapon. Ooh, did I do some handle damage? Back up. Push. Oh, I'm out. Wake up. Oh shit, there went my legs. I can't 360. Just do high chops, high chops, high chops. Short, high chops. Come on, come on. Almost. No. No. Yes. Like, honestly, the powers and the high chops with these weapons, you don't really want to do a lot of 360s because you get your weapon hemmed up when it's this long. But if I keep those high chops, I can keep the weapon in front of my face blocking his shit and deal out some crazy damage on him. Oh, he's in my bubble. As long as I keep gyrating it in his face. Try not to do too many 360s. There we go. Open with a 360, but then, you know, I just want short chops, short oscillating chops. Keep that shit in front of my face. Oh, shit. See, I got my weapon folded up under me. That's a bad deal. That's a bad, that leaves my head open. Shit. Oh, fuck, he's fucking my face up. He's fucking my face up bad. Yes! Oh, they're pain in the arse. Please don't rematch. Okay. Oh, I wonked out. That was a wonk out shot. Try to go for that arm holding the shield. Focus on my short chops, not so many 360s. There we go. Just keep chopping the kibbles off. Keep chopping the kibbles off. You're done. Give me that shield. Give me your blood. I want your blood. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Let's try to decapitate him. There we go. Yep, his head fell off. Wow, his head fell off. Look at that. Look at that. Give me that shit. There we go. Just do some short chops on your dome. Your unprotected dome. A little bit of sawing action. Good night. Can I suplex you? Alright. I'm gonna get some hellacious karma coming. I can feel it. I can feel the karma coming. Poor guy. First shot. Damn, that was gruesome. Just lopped him up like a daisy. Good Lord. Yep, he had enough. Dude, I wish PvP had like spectators in the background. That'd be so cool. Then I could do spectator voiceovers. I'm gonna do a video of nothing but spectator voiceovers. I plan on doing that when I get creative enough and I'm not as lazy. I might do that. Oh, same guy again. Poor guy. Poor guy. Work on my thrusting. Practice my thrusting a little bit. Oh, whatever. Just put this guy out of his misery. Let's put him out of his misery. Good Lord. Holy crap. Alright, it's karma time. It's definitely karma time. Okay. I fuck you up. But probably. Don't underestimate that fucking bat. That thing will fuck you up. I mean, if you got an arm to hold it, it will. But now he's bleeding out. I don't think he's going to let that happen again. He's definitely not going to let this happen again. I like this weapon. This is a cool weapon. Oh, he's blocking a lot of shit. Okay. I gotta chop one of those arms off, dude. That's my only hope. Oh shit, now my dome's wide open. Push, 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 push. Good, he doesn't push back. Oh, he already got my face. He didn't need to push back. Get one of them arms, dude, I'm good. But my face is wide open. Just keep these short chops. No, 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 no. Don't break my arm. Don't break my arm. I don't know why I'm not pushing back. I should be pushing back, but I'm just gonna keep, I'm dead. I told you he wasn't gonna let me do that again. Try to push, try to push. Push, 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 push. Open my window. Shit, 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 shit. Open up. Yes. Please don't get a lucky shot on my dome. You gotta watch your fucking health bar, dude. Sometimes sometimes hits are just sleeper hits. Like you'll have like a full green health bar and that shit'll just fucking disappear. Yep. Shit. Oh fuck. My face is open. Push, 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 push. Open up. Push. No, don't die. Push. Back up. Yeah. Come on. One more. It's the last round. Don't die, Mac. Chop him up real good. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Yes. And a decapitation. Yay! 20 minutes in. That's actually pretty good against an armored opponent. We'll see how this guy does. If I don't fucking wonk out. Oh, shit. You could fuck me up with that sword if you tried. If you really tried, you could really fuck me up with that sword. It's not going to take a lot on my naked dome. If he gets some good sword swipes in. If he's going to hold it high, maybe I can get a wrist. Oh, fuck. No, 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 no. No, the great sword done got me. I think this great sword's gonna fuck me up though. Unless I can get that hand, dude, but that sword, that's the worst. He's luring me in. Look how quick that was. No. But this isn't the karma. The karma is going to be much worse than this. That was just expected. That doesn't even make me mad. Karma is going to make me mad. Uh-oh. Oh, he's going to windmill on me. I should be able to take out one of them hands pretty quick. Did I get one? Don't you quit on me, bro. Don't you quit. Surrender is not an option. What the fuck? Oh, you getting potatoed, man. Chop your ass up. I'm running out of shit to say, dude. I'm mumbling worse than having a buzz right now. Really? You want to die again? Okay. You rematch me so you can sit down. You rematch me so you can sit down and get chopped up. I'm just gonna boop you with this thing until you die. I'm just gonna boop you with it. This thing's gnarly, dude. I love this weapon. Get off me. Alright, buddy. I'm moving on. I don't have the heart. It's a smegromorph. The freaking halberd loves smegromorphs, especially naked smegromorphs. If I can get my stance right here real quick. See, fighting a smegromorph, you just gotta chop off those pedipalps. Chop off the limbs. Just like Dead Space. Hence the name smegromorph. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You gonna be human last match? Gonna be a human this time? Oh no, he says fuck that. So I tell you what, I'm probably a Smegamorph on his screen. You never see yourself as a Smegamorph, but if he's doing that on my screen, I'm probably that on his screen. At least, generally, that's how that works. That endearing glitch that's been there since I started playing the game 2 years ago. Alright, 25 minutes in. Find me a bastard. What should I name this one? Name this... I'm mumbling right now. Oh, I wish I could take a shot right now. I ain't got nothing. I cut this off at 30 minutes. This will be cool, because I've pretty much... It's pretty much been smooth sailing. So hopefully when I get completely annihilated by karma, it'll be towards the end of the video. So there's a build-up. I'm kicking ass all the way through, and then I'll just get my ass fed to me. So I'll pull this out to 30 minutes. Oh, look at this guy. You ain't wearing shit. A little bit of lag going on. Good fight, bro. You gonna do anything? You just gonna let me chop you up real quick like? Little double tap. I do like this weapon. This is a pretty cool weapon. Unfortunately, it's not that great against meta users. If I went up against a freaking archer shield and a sickle, this fucking thing would be useless. Oh, I got nicks. Oh no. Ugh. I'm gonna die. I'm totally gonna die. That's the worst weapon to go up against. Just keep this in front of my face. Oh shit. Ah, my head. My head fell off. I think I'll end with this guy. Maybe this was the karma, the bad karma I was looking for. It's happening now. Oh, I'm getting some power hits in. Oh, oh no, I didn't. America, America, fuck yeah, gonna get chopped up by the fucking, whatever that fucking thing's called. America, fuck yeah. Damn, you didn't even see that move. That move was just too fast for his animation on my side. Alright, one more. That was kind of expected. Oh shit, same guy again. Oh, this is a different one. It's a different guy with the same weapon. And it's probably gonna have the same fucking outcome because I ain't got nothing on my dome whatsoever. Nothing to protect my dome. So he's definitely gonna hurt my dome. Oh, wait, huh? Yeah. One of them fucking hands, dude. Get one of them fucking hands. Oof. Oof. Oh, don't get scrunched up. I'm wonking up. Oh, I got a hand. Oh, I got both. The other guy was way better than you. Watch this turn. Watch this fucking match turn for the worst. If he keeps holding his hands up there, I should be able to get a good shot on his hand. Oh, man. Oh. He's wearing himself out, though. A lot. Yep. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. His weapon is metal as fuck. I'm a dork. Have fun. Don't die.